This is all right.
Yep. So next one. Do you have a PC as well? A laptop?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Which one is it? You can close the box.
Save.
Yep. And then if you notice on your screen now, on the top left, there is
Yang
now
sebelah kiri.
a new box that says original sound.
Original sound udah ya.
Yep.
Okay.
So when
Yep.
we play the music during the competition, you need to enable this box.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Harus kayak
Yep.
gitu.
So now what we need to do is we need to test the quality of the sound coming from because of the venue. Okay, so the sound is not very clear. Did you
Clear.
did you check? Did you tick the box original sound on the laptop?
Udah di-uncheck.
Do we need to move the PC?
We can try that. Yep.
Okay.
I think there's another PC that's on as well with sound. Can we mute all the other?
Okay, mute now.
Yeah, mute everything else except one. Santi, what do you think? Sounds good, yeah?
Sounds
Yeah,
good.
the sound is good, but maybe we can try a little more
More at the
the
back.
laptop back a little bit because many echo. You see?
Away from the drum. So move back. Sounds a bit better, yeah?
A little bit better, yeah.
Yep, a little bit better.
Maybe can to try put the stereo option and we try to listen.
Stereo optionnya di on ya.
Try echo cancellation with stereo.
And maybe I think maybe the problem is the position of the music. You see, back in the back of the music have the scenario. Okay.
There's a lot.
So
the wall behind the music is pushing the sound.
Maybe its echo is here.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe let's try to tick echo cancellation and tick high fidelity audio and stereo audio and not tick. Yep. Okay. Try this. Let's try. I think it sounds a bit better.
Yeah.
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 So what I would suggest is, yeah. Do you think this is acceptable sound for the competition?
I think yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just if you want, we can try maybe only the cymbals, move the place. So the back is the wall, okay? It's not the scenario. because it's like a boss,
So you want the
like a box.
symbols? You want the
Only
symbols?
symbol, only
Symbols to go
for
on the
camera.
stage.
Yes.
Yeah. This one actually sound good. There's
Yes.
less echo. Like
Yeah.
all the sounds pushing
It's
forwards.
push forward.
Yes. I think very good, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we will do now is cam 4. Can you face cam 4 and show the music team? Okay, so the sound is not very clear. Did
Not
you
clear, but
did you check? Did you tick the box original sound on
Yeah.
the laptop?
yang originalnya udah di-uncheck.
I think we can just turn off the camera. There's no need to show video. I think this is good, right? Yep. Okay. So now we're going to start with video.